Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will study Unit 1, Buckle Up. For this lesson, we will cover new vocabulary words, their meanings, and you will use those words in your creative sentences. At the end, there will be a discussion. So, let's get started. First of all, let us get to know the new vocabulary words. The first word is stumbled, dragging, horrible, rude, alternative, patient, nodded, frustrating, curiously, fault. Now that we know the new words, let's come to know about their meanings. The first word was stumbled. It means to lose balance. Dragging means pulling. Horrible means very bad or unpleasant. Rude means way. Alternative means another way. Patient means calm. Nodded means move your head up and down. For example, you are saying yes, you move your head up and down. It means that you are nodding. Frustrating means feeling of anger. Curiously means interested in learning about something. Fault means mistake. Now learn these words by heart and their meanings as well. Once you have done this, write these words in your own creative sentences. Now let's start with our chapter, Traffic Jam. There is a boy named Sulaiman who lives in USA. So come on, let's find more about him. For that, open up page number 2 from your book and listen to this audio carefully and focus on what is being said.
Sulaiman to the classroom, dragging his bag behind him. Assalamu alaikum, Sulaiman. Miss Sadia exclaimed. You are very late. Wa alaikum assalam, he replied as he walked to his seat. I am sorry, there was a horrible traffic jam on the way to school. We were stuck in traffic for more than half an hour. Sulaiman answered in an irritated voice. Oh dear, what caused the traffic to build up? His teacher asked. The route that we normally take to school was blocked. There were roadworks. The alternative route was very busy, he said, clearly annoyed as he sat on his seat. Come on, Sulaiman, Miss Sadia said kindly. I know it's annoying, but we should always be patient. Sulaiman nodded his head. I know, but it was very frustrating. I didn't want to be late for school. And my father was also late for an important meeting. Miss Sadia understood how Sulaiman felt. There were lots of big trucks on the road and they slowed the cars down. There was one huge green truck right in front of our car. Sulaiman continued as his classmates listened curiously. Well, replied Miss Sadia, it is nobody's fault